Ever stared at your Ally credit card bill, wondering where on earth to send that check? You're not alone. Let's dive deep into the world of Ally credit card payments and find the address that'll get your payment where it needs to go. Now, Ally is known for its digital-first approach, so you might be thinking, why even bother with a mailing address? Well, sometimes good old-fashioned snail mail is the way to go. Maybe you're a fan of the tactile experience, maybe you prefer the security of a physical record, or maybe your internet's playing games with you. Whatever the reason, we've got you covered. So, drumroll please, the mailing address for your Ally credit card payments is Ally Bank P.O. Box 96011, Wichita, Kansas, 67277, 6011. Easy peasy, right? But wait, there's more. Include your account number, this is crucial. Write it clearly and legibly on your check. Avoid late fees, make sure your payment arrives by the due date to avoid those pesky late fees. Ally usually provides a grace period, but it's always best to be safe than sorry. Consider payment methods. While we're talking about mailing addresses, let's quickly review other payment options Ally offers. You can pay online. This is usually the fastest and most convenient method. Log into your Ally Bank account and make your payment with a few clicks. Use the Ally mobile app. Pay on the go with the Ally mobile app. It's super user-friendly and available for both iOS and Android. Phone payments. You can also make a payment over the phone by calling Ally Bank's customer service number. Here's a bonus tip for you. Always keep a copy of your payment records. This can be helpful for tracking your payments and resolving any potential issues. You can usually find these records in your online account or by downloading a payment history statement. Now, you might be wondering, what if I send my payment to the wrong address? Don't worry. Ally has systems in place to redirect misdirected payments. However, it might take a few extra days for your payment to be processed, which could potentially lead to a late fee. So, always double-check the address before you send it. Alright, you've got the address, you know the other payment options, and you're armed with some valuable tips. Now go forth and conquer your Ally credit card payments. Do you have any other questions about Ally credit card payments? Let me know in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful financial tips and tricks. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.